Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best bonding activity and parent-child craft project out there. Rock Buddies by Little Jupiter. Now, if you're a parent looking for something that goes beyond screens and brings actual joy, creativity, and quality time, this is it. Rock Buddies isn't your typical arts and crafts kit. It's a DIY experience packed with charm and imagination. What you get inside is a full-on mini art adventure. 6 adorable animal figures made from a special resin material that's shaped and textured to look just like real stone. Each figure is ready to be brought to life with the included paint and brushes. And we're not talking limited colors either. You get 12 rich, vibrant paint shades that give kids the freedom to go wild with creativity. Whether it's painting a pink elephant or a rainbow-colored owl, there are no limits, just pure self-expression. The animal figures themselves include a fun lineup: a cat, bear, parrot, dog, elephant, and owl. Each one is perfectly sized at about 3 to 3.5 inches tall, making them the ideal canvas for small hands. They're not too tiny to be frustrating, and not too large to overwhelm. Plus, the texture gives a satisfying feel, almost like you're painting a real stone. Now here's the beauty of this kit: it's incredibly versatile. Whether your child is 3 or 12, they'll enjoy it in their own way. Younger kids can play freely with color, while older ones can take their time adding detail and personality. And let's not forget adults. Parents, you're going to want to jump in on this one too. The whole experience can take as little as 15 minutes per figure or be stretched out for hours, making it perfect for anything from a quick afternoon craft to a full-on weekend project. These little creations aren't just meant to be hidden away in drawers. They make excellent display pieces, in the living room, on bookshelves, in the bathroom, or even on a windowsill. It's a great way for your child to feel proud and show off their creativity. What really makes Rock Buddies shine is how well it brings people together. It's perfect for family nights, rainy days, birthday parties, sleepovers, or just one-on-one time with your little one. The shared laughter, the focused painting, the proud smiles at the finished animals. It's more than just art, it's memory-making. This kit is a winner for birthdays, holidays like Christmas or Easter, or just as a surprise to encourage creativity. It's a go-to for kids aged 3 to 12 and hits the mark every time. So if you're looking to unplug, reconnect, and let your creativity flow, Rock Buddies by Little Jupiter is your perfect pick. It's more than a craft kit, it's an experience. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more creative finds and honest product breakdowns. See you in the next one.